Hi, I'm Dr. Namrata Upadhyay, Consultant Pediatric Endocrinologist at Aster Hospitals, Bangalore. Did you know that there's a treatment for children with Prader-Willi syndrome that can make them grow taller, stronger and healthier? Yes, it's called growth hormone therapy. And for the last 25 years, it's been changing the lives of children with PWS. Let's talk about why it matters. So what is growth hormone? It's a natural substance produced by the pituitary gland under the signals of a mighty but tiny gland called hypothalamus, which is one of the areas affected in PWS. Growth hormone signals the liver to produce IGF-1, which in turn brings about growth, building of muscles and bones, and normal body fat distribution. We often see that babies born with PWS are small, they have poor muscle tone, have very slow growth rates, and as they grow older, have abnormal distribution of body fat. This in turn would be because of the missing genes in PWS, which affects the function and action of growth hormone. That is why growth hormone therapy is now the standard of care in PWS. So what are the benefits of growth hormone and when can it be started? Growth hormone therapy can be started at any point in a child with PWS. However, the earlier it is started, the better are the benefits. We often see that babies with PWS struggle with feeding, they have breathing difficulties and have delay in achieving their milestones. Apart from improving their growth rates, growth hormone has a significant impact on improving their muscle tone and strength, which makes them feed easier, breathe easier, and help them in achieving their milestones at an earlier rate than those kids not treated with growth hormone. This in turn has a positive impact on their mental or intellectual development. As the child grows older, growth hormone continues to boost growth. It also improves and helps in normalizing body proportions such that children with PWS treated with growth hormone have more normal shaping of their hands and feet and have a more normal body fat distribution. Growth hormone helps to build muscles, helps the muscles burn more calories. It helps to increase their physical capacity. Growth hormone helps build bone strength and also improves bone mineral density. In fact, we have a generation of kids treated with growth hormone therapy in PWS who are stronger, more active and lead more healthier lives. So if your child has been diagnosed with Prader-Willi syndrome, do not wait. Please consult your pediatric endocrinologist at the earliest about starting growth hormone. The earlier it is started, the better. Early therapy builds strength, independence, and helps your child to grow on par with their peers without PWS. Even if your child has been diagnosed a while ago and not received growth hormone therapy, you should still talk to your pediatric endocrinologist and discuss how growth hormone might help your child in other ways. Thank you.